Hey yo, good morning everybody. How y'all doing today? Today is it's good afternoon because it's like 4 o'clock. I forgot to film an intro. I wasn't really planning on vlogging, but I wanted to today. So this is it's like 4 o'clock. So good afternoon everybody. Today is July 20. I forget. I don't know what today is. But anyway, I hope you guys are all having a great day. Wait. I know I am. Stuff. So as you saw, I saw some. As you're gonna see, is some pretty animals. You guys know. You guys already know. But anyway, I will see you guys. You guys see the next clips.
Not hanging it over.
So these birds on your left-hand side are some of our rhea. They're a flightless bird from South America, very closely related to the emu and the ostrich. They do have wings, however, they only really use them to help them keep balance when they're running and to scare away predators. Roosevelt elk, named for former President Theodore Roosevelt, founder of our national park system.
I think it's huge, man. Deer, anything else? Elk.
So hanging out under the shade of the tree on your right, we have a few of our fallow deer, very closely related to the white-tailed deer that we have here in New Jersey. But unlike the white-tailed deer, they keep their spots their entire lives. We also have some more of the Roosevelt elk.
What's that? Is that another elk? Yeah, he's eating hay.
Now coming up on your right, we have some of our bison. Bison are the national mammal of the United States. And you'll notice that we do have a few babies as well.
I thought that they were buffaloes. They look like buffaloes.
They're not buffalo, they're bison. Our African elephants. All of our elephants here in the park are female. Most of them have been with us since the park opened in 1974. So they're about 45 years old.
Wow.
The exception being our matriarch. Her name is Lucy. She is 72 years old.
Is that one right there? It's really, those are really
I
big.
think that's Lucy, but I'm not sure. I'd have to see the other side.
They all look very similar. How can you tell which one is which?
Mainly their tusks and their ears. That's how I can tell.
Zebras.
And you'll notice that they have like dirt and hay thrown on their backs. And that is because, like most of us, I know me especially, they are prone to being sunburned. So they use dirt and hay as kind of an all-natural sunscreen to help protect their skin.
I know, zebras. Really dope. Yeah, I know. It's cool how they.
More of our zebras in just a minute. Okay, found Lucy. So she's the one facing us on your left. She's eating.
Hi, Lucy!
So like I said, she is 72 years old.
That is very old.
Under human care, elephants can actually live to be about 60, 70, even reaching up to 80 years old in some cases. However, in the wild, they typically only live to be about 30 due to poaching or illegal hunting for their ivory tusks. And even though there was a poach bin enacted in the 1990s, we still lose around 96 elephants every single day.
That's crazy.
Look at all the zebras.
So we're seeing our zebras on your right, including a couple
What?
of babies.
Huh. I know.
What's really cool about baby zebras is 20 minutes after they're born, they can stand on their own. And about an hour after they're born, they can run and keep up with the rest of their herd.
there.
And when baby zebras are born, the babies will memorize mom's stripe pattern, and mom will memorize the baby's stripe pattern because stripe patterns on zebras are kind of
Geese Army.
They take me out in the pool. We have our Asian water buffalo. They spend about 90% of their lives in or around water.
Rhinos.
And then on your right, we have our rhinos. They specifically are white rhinos, but you guys may notice that they're not white. They are brown. And the reason they're called white rhinos is actually because of a miscommunication between English.
What are those?
That goes masturbating right
They coming up on your right hand side, they kind of look like long lost members of Kiss, very Gene Simmons-esque. Those are the Miso oryx. And what's really cool about them is they can raise their internal body temperature to up to 116 degrees Fahrenheit. They do this so that they don't have to waste any extra water or energy trying to sweat when it gets really hot out. And hanging out with them more towards the back, those are the Dama gazelles. They are the largest gazelle species in the world. And they're actually critically endangered. There's only about 200 of them left in the wild due to poaching and habitat loss.
What are these?
Now coming up on your left, we have the ellipsis water buck. They are called that because of the white ring that they have on their rear ends. Kind of looks like this out on a specially painted toilet. But what's actually really cool about them is they produce this odor, or this oil, that makes their fur water resistant. It also deters predators with the odor of the oil. That's what I meant. It deters predators and it also attracts a mate. And then these guys coming up on your right hand side are the common eland. They're the second largest antelope species in the world. And they can jump 8 feet straight up in the air. So if they wanted to, they could easily hop on this truck and join us for the rest of the tour. And in some parts of Africa, they are actually used as horses. That is because a lot of the females were giving birth this year, so they were sectioned off because their placenta is actually
I know, I got it, I got it.
from other animals.
Where?
So they're put away until they all give birth and can clean off their babies fully, and then once they do that, they'll
Look how
be
big this
reintegrated.
giraffe is.
So this lovely lady here is Bridget. She is one of our giraffes. She is a Rothschild giraffe. Oh, they just covered over. And her son is Grayson, the 3-month-old baby I was talking about. He is right over there. Even though he's only 3 months old, Grayson is already a little over 6 feet tall. On average, male giraffes are going to be about 18 feet tall, females are going to be about 16 feet tall. And on either side, we are seeing the scimitar horned oryx. They actually went extinct in the wild in 2000, but in 2016, 25 of them were sent to Chad in Africa. And that summer, for the first time in 30 years, one was born in the wild. So conservation absolutely does work. Don't let anyone try this on.
What's up, giraffe?
And this is Gina.
What's up, giraffe?
She's one of my favorites. Hi, baby.
Right now, so
No, they're actually not tagged. You just learn what they look like. Well, because I do come through here all the time, I give at least 10 tours a day. You start to learn. So we're now pulling up to Camp Aventura. This is our halfway point. So once we pull up, you guys are more than welcome to get up. Talk about all the really cool stuff at the camp, like we have giraffe meetings every hour on the half hour. We also have our zip line open today, our restaurant, our Dippin' Dots. We have a lot of really cool animals that you guys can meet, including lizards, all times. You must keep all of your limbs inside the truck. New Jersey say no touch safe. The animals can touch us, but we cannot touch them. There is absolutely no eating, but if you have anything like water, Powerade, or soda with you, you are more than welcome to drink that. And if you drop anything at all outside of the truck, we cannot stop to get it. We'll do our best to return it to you, but we can't promise it won't eventually run. So those guys that are hanging out on your right hand side, those are the red-egg collie cattle, also known as the Watusi cattle. They were domesticated by the Tutsi people of Africa, and they're seen as symbols of wealth. So the more cattle you have, the wealthier you are. breeding and gathering food. When they hunt, they're around 25% successful, and when they do hunt, the males will always eat first. The females will eat second, and then if there are any cubs in the pack, the cubs will eat last. The females also sleep between 16 to 18 hours a day. The male lions sleep around 20 hours a day.
The whole day.
And we're now getting ready to head into Black Bear Ridge. This is where we'll be seeing our American black bears. So because our animals are free roaming, I'm just going to let you know that for your safety, we ask that you keep anything you want to return home with inside the chicken. So black bears can be found in 49 of the 50 states. Can you guys guess what state they are not found in? Hawaii, exactly. Hawaii is the only state where you will not be able to find black bears.
I know black bears don't
But as we come around this bend on your right, see leopard bears.
Is that a bear cub?
Not a bear cub, but he is one of our young ones.
Yeah, I've seen smaller than the average black bear.
Look at that one. He's looking like
Look at him, he's sleeping up there.
he's sleeping.
So black bears love taking naps, especially in the shade. Sometimes in funny positions. And also on your left is one of our black bear nurseries. That is a mom and her 2 cubs.
One swimming.
Black bears are opportunistic omnivores, meaning they have what I like to call a seafood diet. If they see food, they eat it. They're also really strong swimmers and climbers, and they keep those abilities their entire lives. Color, the females are more gray. The babies are called joeys. The females are called flyers. And the males are called boomers or jacks, which I think is really funny because the males are jacked, for lack of a better word. They will box each other for dominance. They can also lean back on their tails and kick. And one kick from a kangaroo is actually powerful enough to stop the human heart. They can also jump 10 feet straight up in the air and 20 feet forward. We're seeing some more of them on the right. So if you look real close, the one that's standing up, you'll notice the baby. One of the joeys is nursing.
Babies are the cutest.
I can't see it.
When baby kangaroos are born, they're actually about the size of a lima bean. So brother and sister, brother and brother, sister and sister, that kind of relationship.
Look, there's one in the
There's
corner.
We have one of our Bengals laying up against the building, the other laying down by the
Look, this
rock,
one's awake.
and these two are actually brother and sister.
Really?
Even though they are 2 different colors, they are in fact related. And these two coming up on your left think that they're related. This is Nadia and Zuri. Nadia is our Siberian tiger cub. Zuri is her best friend.
She's good now.
And
Thank you.
Do you guys notice like a little funny? She doesn't have stripes.
not only does she not have stripes, she's a lion. So they were actually both abandoned by their parents when they were very young. They were born here.
Alright guys, I'm Nanda. Hope you guys should make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. Peace.